Hello everyone. It's been a long time since we put one up here, and got a couple emails asking where in the heck we were. So here we are. This is I think the 11th of February. It actually this morning got up and there was snow all over the place, and it's so warm that the snow is pretty much gone. But since the last time we were on here talking, I think the last one I put out, I believe I said something about if you got any good salespeople that can help us find a good truck. Well, yeah, we've been on the search, and we got, I think you all can remember, we were driving that, and things were failing, and needs a lot of maintenance. So we were, and it just wasn't suiting us, so we were on a search, and we ended up getting that. This is a little 2010 Honda CR-V that is way more car than we have ever gotten before. I mean, this thing is loaded from the front bumper to the rear bumper, from the bottom of the tires to the top of the luggage rack. You name it, it's basically got it, and we're thrilled to death with it. Yeah, it's a Honda, but you know it's made right here in the United States, so we're pleased. We're really happy with it. And today we're going to be working on it a little bit. Matter of fact, the little story about this was we went down to look at it, and when we got down to the dealership, as we were pulling in to the that one over there started spitting and sputtering and almost quit running. So, but anyway, today what we're going to do is we're going to back this thing into the barn over there, right over there, and what's in that box is getting put on this car. So if you stick with me, we'll get this thing rolling, and you'll understand every step that I'm making. Okay, how many of you out there have a clue as to what we're getting ready to do here? I know I do. Alright, I'm sure y'all do. We're getting ready to put us a trailer hitch on this car, and you won't believe where I got it from. Believe it or not, I ordered it the best place I was able to get it, and it was shipped right to my house for free. It was from Walmart. believe this or not, and it's a Reese. What we found out was that this car had a trailer hitch on it at one point. And where we're going to be putting this is, it will be bolted here and here. It'll be connected to this, and we have to drop this and kind of move it out of the way because everything else bolts up over here. And well, you can see maybe with my finger, I doubt it. Right here is one bolt and the other one is right up in here. So we're gonna try to set this up somehow or another. Just let it run while I try to do this, and hopefully you'll be able to see it as I go. It's a Class 3 hitch made by Reese, and according to everything they're telling me, it's a bolt on. Let's see how good I can do this, how well, easy this is going to be. According to the plans, it's supposed to be easy. Barely started. So I will make that more substantial here, knowing that I have to take this one back out. Younger days, this would have been fun. I don't bend like I used to. I guess I don't bend too bad for an old man, but still, this is not fun like it used to be. And I know tonight I am going to pay dearly. But that's okay. Anymore, that's pretty much a part of living. I think a lot of us out there will say the same thing. Oh, let's see what we can do with this one now. And the trailer hitch, I believe, is on. Feels pretty solid. We'll figure out what size of receiver we need, and if I've got it, because I've got about 3 or 4 of them. I got to get the exhaust system back up and on and connected, and then we'll call this complete. This is unbelievable. We have it on, and we have the exhaust system back up on. Okay, well, let's bring the car down off the ramps, and we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. Okay, you know, I don't think I look pretty solid there for sure. Okay, and one thing that I remember is on the back of the Jeep, I had a reese underneath it too, and we can, there we go. It says reese there too, so I believe we've got her taken care of. Okay, what we're going to do now, there's the little trailer that I will be pulling behind it, and we're going to try the different hitches that I have to see which one actually fits in there the best. Let me see if I can get this zeroed in so we can see that the tongue here is setting a little high. So when I put this on, I think this one that I'm going to try is going to be a little low. But we'll find out. What that one does is that shows that the tongue is it's at an angle downward, so that means it's a little too low. I've got another one. Let me go grab it and we'll try that one. Okay, I got it disconnected to show you the difference. That's the one that I had on it. Here's the one that I'm going to put on it. That one looks a whole lot better. So there we go. Another great thing about that little tiny, the smaller hitch is it fits perfectly right in there with the spare tire. Okay, so there you have it. Job completed, and it only took a couple of hours to do. So all I got left now is just to get the rest of this stuff cleaned up and put away, and we'll be done for the day, and go in and get me some ibuprofen. This is Stay at Homer. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll catch y'all later. Don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe, tell your family, and tell your friends. We'll catch you all the next time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.